Hello, everyone. Welcome back. I hope you all had a great spring break. I'm looking forward to warming up with you guys today. This video is specifically for the flutes and oboes. So what we're going to do is we're going to play a couple warm-up songs from your Sound Innovations book. So please get that out. And while you are doing that, the purpose of this video is just to get warmed up because this week we are going to play our concert songs along with the video. So we are going to warm up first before we do that. And then moving on in the future, there will be more videos like this that will allow us to play other things and work on some other things out of your sound innovation books, as well as some other topics as well. So for right now, we're just going to jump to number 40 in your sound innovations book. This one is the technique builder. We have played this many times before, but that'll be a good chance to play along with me. I'm going to use the piano, so you'll be able to see it right here. And we're going to go to nice slow tempo, and then we're going to speed it up and play it again at a quicker tempo. So I'm going to turn the metronome on. Try your best to listen to it, otherwise follow along. If you need to stop and restart, that's perfectly fine. You can just rewind the video back. So here's number 40. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. All right. Hopefully that went well. If you want to go back and do it again, perfectly fine. Take your time. Now I'm going to speed up the metronome just a little bit, and we're going to play it one more time slightly faster. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. All right. So that was the technique builder. Now we're going to jump to number 188 in your lesson book. And what I want you guys to do is notice that, first of all, this is a new song. We haven't played this, I don't think, together as a group yet in school. So this will be new for everyone. So this one we're going to start off really slow. But basically what it is it's called the B flat major scale. And this is kind of one of the most important scales that you're going to learn on your instrument and something you're going to play all throughout the rest of your musical career. So I want you to be able to at least have a little bit of an idea of what this one's like. We will not do the entire song. We're just going to actually do the scale. The song is called Scale and Arpeggio. The arpeggio part, we'll deal with that a little bit later. For right now, we're just going to do the scale itself. So I'm going to play the way it sounds, and then we'll talk about it a little bit. So this is number 188. Just listen this time. So that is the scale. Basically, we're going up and down using a certain set of notes, starting on the note B flat for us. So that was just the scale itself. Remember, we're not doing the arpeggio. So what I want you to do is I want you to take a look at the highest two notes, high A and then high B flat. Those are our two newest notes. The most important thing we need to do is make sure that we play A and not A flat. You'll hear the difference in the sound. There's A, which is the note you will be playing in this scale. There's A flat. So most of us, especially flute players, will want to play 1, 2, 3, and then the pinky finger A flat. But that's not the note. The note we're playing is A, which is just first finger and second finger along with the thumb. So make sure when you get up to that high note, that's what you play. The highest pitch is high B flat, which is the same fingers as the low B flat. You just have to blow your air faster. So play along with me. If you need to stop and restart, that's perfectly fine, but we're going to try to play just the scale at a nice slow tempo. 1, 2, ready, go. So that was number 188, the B flat major scale. So if you want to practice that a little bit and play it a couple times, you can try it on your own and then come back and do it with the video. But that will be a good warm up for you to work on this week. Thank you, and we'll see you a little bit later with another video.